In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix hoverbox. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account and navigate to your website editor. Once you're in the editor, look for the plus sign, often labeled as Add Element. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Box and then find Hoverboxes. This is where you can see different styles and designs for hoverboxes that Wix offers. Take a moment to decide which hoverbox will suit your website best. Once you've made your choice, you have two options. You can either click on it or simply drag and drop the box into the desired area of your website. Once your hoverbox is in place, it's time to customize it by clicking on the hoverbox itself. This brings up options to change the regular image and the hover image, which is the image displayed when someone hovers over the box. If you decide that you want to adjust the current image, select Edit Image. This feature allows you to tweak various attributes like brightness, contrast, highlights, and shadows. You can also adjust the color saturation, temperature, exposure, and sharpness. If you're feeling creative, try playing around with the vignette effect, adding grain, or altering the tint. In addition, you can explore other options like adding text or using filters to enhance your image further. However, if you're set on changing the image entirely, simply upload a new one from your computer. To do this, click on Upload Media, select an image from your files, and then click Choose Image. This will replace the regular image on your hoverbox. The process for changing the hover image is the same. Click on the image and then select the one you'd like to use. Once the images are sorted, you might want to add a unique effect when the images are hovered over. Wix provides several options, including grow, shrink, skew, rotate, and combinations of these effects. Choose the one that best suits your style and requirements. Finally, you might wish to adjust the overall design of your hoverbox. By selecting Edit Design, you can customize various elements such as fill color and opacity, border style, corner rounding, and even shadow effects. Feel free to explore these options until you achieve the exact look and feel you want for your website. And that wraps up the process of creating a Wix hoverbox. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.